Unboxing the term, gifted item, in English. Hello everyone. Today we're going to unpack the meaning of a phrase that you might come across in reviews, unboxing videos, or while shopping online. Gifted item. Understanding this term can be particularly useful when you're navigating through English language content related to products and services. So, let's get started and dive into the details. The phrase, gifted item, refers to something that has been given to a person without payment. In the context of social media and online content, a gifted item usually means a product sent by a brand to an influencer, blogger, or reviewer, free of charge. This is often done for promotional purposes with the expectation that the receiver will showcase the item to their audience. When you see a reviewer mention a gifted item, it's a signal of transparency. They're disclosing that they didn't pay for the product. This is important for you, the viewer or reader, to know because it helps you understand that there might be a promotional aspect to the content. It doesn't necessarily mean the review is biased, but it's a factor to consider when evaluating the credibility of the review. Let's look at some examples of how gifted item can be used in a sentence. The smartphone I'm reviewing today is a gifted item from the company. I received this beautiful vase as a gifted item. Isn't it lovely? Each participant will receive a gifted item as a token of appreciation. By understanding the usage, you can better grasp the concept and context in which the term is often utilized. And there you have it, a complete overview of what a gifted item means in the English language, especially in the realm of social media and online reviews. I hope this video clarifies the term for you and enriches your understanding of English language nuances. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video.